In Goa, Christmas is not complete without the traditional sweets such as bibinka, mazapan, dodol, and much more. So, for this, we are here with Maura Falcao. She is going to teach us the traditional way of making sweets. Hi, Maura.
Yeah,
Welcome.
hi. Yeah, hi.
Okay, so what is the sweet that we are preparing today?
Mazapan.
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 And what is required for that?
Yeah, you require cashew nuts powder. Okay. Then icing sugar. Then glucose, liquid glucose, and egg white. Egg white. Now we'll do the mixture. How to knead the mazapan flour. Do all the mixture.
Maura, since how many years you are into this business?
Yeah, this business our own home production we have started for past 2 years. This is our second year in for Christmas. Last year for Easter was the first, second year for Christmas, and past 5 years we owned a franchisee, and now we said we'll start with our own production.
But you have given up the franchisee and you have started your own production.
Yes.
Okay, how you feel like, you must have definitely taken a well-known franchisee of cakes or sweets, and now you have given that and you started something on your own. So how do you feel about it?
I feel very happy because I always wanted to do something of my own into business. So I really feel I'm blessed to have something like this doing it.
So you have any help for you, or you're the sole person who's doing it?
My husband is there. He's Clifford Falcao. He is the biggest support to me.
And you all are into only the sweets or something else
No,
also?
no, I take food orders. Yeah, food orders in kg wise. Then we're into cakes, savories, snacks, bulk orders.
So Christmas wouldn't be complete without bibinka. So yes, what is all we require to make one?
Yes, here we require thick coconut milk, okay, which I have taken. Coconut milk along with that sugar, then plain flour, maida, all-purpose flour, and 16 yolks, yellow yolks. Yeah.
How do you market your products?
Through Facebook, WhatsApp, all my customers are there, and Instagram. So everybody knows me since I owned a franchisee earlier, so they know me that I'm into home production and without using any preservative. So all my products are preservative free.
What do you prefer, like, working under somebody or starting something on your own?
Working under somebody which I didn't wanted, I was actually not happy working under somebody. Starting off my own, yes, it's my own business. I am the boss of my own self.
So, Moran आमका एक बरी message दिल्या, be your own boss. And with this was our traditional sweets during Christmas. आमच्या बरोबर एक स्वामिनी आशिल्ली मोरा जिने आमकां खूब तरेचे traditional sweets दाखयले. These sweets actually are time consuming, so we had to fast forward all the recipes. With Onkar Falari, this is Aparna Badigar for Prudent.